Hey there, babes. It's Dad here, and happy President's Day. It is Monday, February 18th, and the pups and I are on a hike today. This is a trail that goes up to Wilhelmina Rise. That's kind of the upper portion of Wilhelmina Rise up there. And there you can see is the Waikiki downtown area. The airport in the back in the distance. I don't know, probably can't see the airport, a little ways off and maybe out of view. And this is Palillo Valley, and there's the elementary school down there, park, bunch of homes and residences and stuff. I'm not sure what that complex is. It's some sort of a school. And the mountain range here. And here's the trail. The pups wanting to explore, waiting for me. And this is kind of the lower area of Wilhelmina Rise. So I took a photo on the maps as to where I'm at right now. And I'll try to include that in the video. Maybe I'll just put it in as a photo. But yeah, this is one of the cool hikes that they have up here. The hikes go all through these ranges and stuff. So we used to do the hikes over closer to Manoa and on Round Top. So those were Tantalus. So those are the Tantalus hikes. Lots of trails in there too, and I think a lot of these hook up with one another. So hope your girls are having a great President's Day weekend, long weekend, and thinking of you, and I love you, and I miss you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, loves. And keep going on our hike. See some pretty amazing drop-offs and neat foliage and foliage. Some awesome views. Alright, babes. Love you. Talk to you soon. Hey there, babes. It's Dad here again, and just doing a follow-up to the first video. This is still on the hike, the Palillo Valley over there, and you can barely see the airport. It's off. Right over there is the reef runway, so pretty far out there, but you can kind of see that downtown. So this is a little nicer viewpoint of everything. The Palillo Valley down there. There's a Chinese home. There's also like a retirement home. More homes in the valley. There's the pups way up there on the trail. So the trail continues on. Just near a little walkway, precipice. They call it. You see the mountain range. And this valley is kind of like, I think it's Wilson. It's like Wilsonville. So the Star of the Sea School is kind of at the very end of this valley, closer to Kahala area. So it's kind of the Kahala area out that way. Don't see the homes as much in here. But, yep, pretty neat little spot. Just hanging out here with the pups. We're ready to go further. We'll probably just head down and maybe up to that utility pole and back. We didn't quite go that far last time. I'm giving my legs a little, or giving my ankle a little bit of a break. So hope you girls are having a great weekend. Thinking of you on our hike, and we love you, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye, loves. waves. Dad here one more time this beautiful Monday, February 18th, President's Day. And the pups and I made it a little bit further on our hike. There's that electric pole I was telling you about right there. We kind of passed it and went a little bit farther. Sorry, I'm sweating a little bit, so I'm not zooming very good.